Greg Calvo. I am the product manager for Electrovert. Welcome to an on-demand presentation of Electrovert's Aquastorm 50 batch cleaner. The total length of this presentation is less than 7 minutes. I will present to you an introduction to the Aquastorm 50, review new technologies that are being offered in batch cleaning, watch a short video, discuss the drying performance of the Aquastorm 50, look at a few of the important features and options, then wrap up with a short summary. The Aquastorm 50 utilizes technologies from Electrovert's inline cleaners, which are now offered in a batch footprint. These technologies are focused on maximizing cleaning performance and eliminating the effects of board and component shadowing. The Aquastorm 50 Torrid Zone drying has the most effective drying of any batch cleaner in the industry, and the base machine includes features that allow for complete process flexibility. Now let's take a look at the spray technology that differentiates the Aquastorm 50 from other batch cleaners in the market. One of the types of technologies used today in Electrovert's inline cleaners is JIC, or Jet Impact Cleaning. In the photo, we are looking at the wash section from our inline cleaner with several JIC sprays through multiple spray bars. So if we take a closer look at what makes the JI spray so effective, as each JIC spray hits the board assembly, an omnidirectional spray pattern takes place. Omnidirectional meaning that the spray pattern disperses in all directions. So to get JIC technology integrated into a batch, we took the JIC spray bars from an inline cleaner, turned them vertically, and integrated the spray bars into our Power Spray Basket technology. The Power Spray Basket has multiple spray bars with JIC nozzles that expose both sides of the board assembly to direct impingement JIC spray. So if we take a closer look at the Powered Spray Basket, each vertical stainless steel tine of the basket are actually spray bars filled with multiple JIC nozzles. Each JIC nozzle sprays onto the printed circuit board. Each side of the printed circuit board is subjected to multiple JIC sprays with omnidirectional spray patterns. A few facts about the Power Basket technology. The Power Basket has over 900 JIC nozzles. We use a dedicated 7.5 horsepower pump for the spray wash process. The pump generates 120 gallons per minute at 40 psi, creating a web of dynamic energy. Both sides of each board assembly is subjected to direct impingement omnidirectional spray. The wash is closed loop, and all fluid returns to a 28-gallon reservoir. Torrid Zone drying in the Aquastorm 50 is very effective at drying your printed circuit boards. Torrid Zone drying is basically a forced convection bakeout. We use a regenerative blower with inline heaters that are capable of up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which effectively evaporates moisture off of the printed circuit boards. In testing, we are able to dry complex assemblies to 0.1 gram of its original pre-wash weight. The temperature and times for the drying cycle are completely programmable. The Aquastorm 50 intuitive graphical interface is very easy to use. All critical machine parameters and operations are easily visible at any point of the cleaning cycle. All parameters within a recipe are 100% programmable, allowing for complete process customization and flexibility. The base machine can be configured for DI or chemistry mode, and when the software is configured in chemistry mode, the recipe will allow you to include a chemical isolation between the wash and rinse. Data logging for all machine parameters is standard, and this makes collecting statistical data for quality and trending analysis easy. The Aquastorm 50 uses a Windows 7 based operating system with a 21-inch touch screen PC. We will briefly highlight a few of the standard features. The machine can be configured for DI or chemistry modes. All fluid during the wash cycles are closed loop back to the wash reservoir. When in chemistry mode, a chemical isolation can be included between the wash and rinse cycles. Torrid zone drying is standard, and the process chamber and all process plumbing are stainless steel. Now a quick summary of some of the key options include a multi-stage filtration system for misprint cleaning, integrated onboard DI water generation, intelligent rinse control, closed loop rinse, and a zero discharge. The Aquastorm 50 has several other features and options that can be explained in further detail. The advantages of the Aquastorm 50 include the power spray basket technologies with JIC spray, which are effective at cleaning under low standoff components and eliminates board shadowing. That a single machine can be used for deflux and misprint. Torrid zone drying to ensure product can go straight from cleaning onto test or a coating process. The powerful yet user-friendly software, and Speedline Electrovert's world-class process knowledge and service organization. Thank you for watching this presentation. For more information, we have multiple Aquastorm 50s in demo facilities in the US, Asia, and Europe. Attached is a link to find the nearest Speedline representative near you, or you may contact the factory direct to schedule a demo. Electrovert has over 60 years of product innovation and process leadership. All Electrovert products, wave soldering, reflow soldering, and cleaning are made in the USA.